Yo, what's going on, guys? We got this lady here. This big boy growing up so quick. Daughter's inside taking a nap. Can't talk. It's been a while since I picked up a camera. Last few videos I've just been doing throwbacks. Well, you want to see, buddy? But in this one, guys, we're gonna slam this thing. The wife doesn't like how high it's been sitting. She says too much wheel gap. So, got jack stands. Let's see where I got a point. Right here, right there. We got impact and stuff over there. Wait, what? Mommy's car? You gonna work on mommy's car?
Daddy.
No, we're not working on daddy's car. We're working on mommy's car.
Mommy's car. Daddy.
Yeah, daddy's tools, yes. So we're gonna go ahead and jack up the car, put the front on jack stands, pull the wheels off. You ready?
Daddy. Yep.
Say ready. Ruben, ready?
1, 2, 3, go.
All right, let's get this car up in the air.
Yes. Oh my God.
Oh, guys. Ink.
You wanna help? Ready? Go down, push down.
Whee! And up. And down.
Ready?
And down.
Ink. Ink.
Ants. Alright, so I only have the spanner wrenches from the Accord, the turbo car, and from Max Bean Rock coilovers. They don't fit these coils, so we're gonna just do it the old-fashioned way. Long ass screwdriver and a hammer. And Princess just woke up from her nap. Okay, it's loose. Should be able to turn it by hand now. How much you want to lower your car?
We had about this much wheel gap, right?
I don't know. Azariah. Alright, so I'm going to go about that low, which is the tip of the lock for the lug nuts. Hopefully that's not too much, but we'll see. So now we're going to go ahead and bust down this 14 down here and go ahead and spin this collar.
Hey, Loki.
Now I'm going to go ahead and spin the lower cup and get where we want it. Alright, so we got it all up and tight. You going to help, Ruben? Okay. Go ahead. Boom, boom, boom. All done. Good job.
Thank you, Ruben.
Now we got to do the other side? No, on the other side of the car. Go on the other side of the car with that. Thank you. So this side is done. Move to the driver's side. We'll lower it and check the back. I don't know if it was the previous owner of the car or whoever put the coils on this car, but you know how on the fork that holds the coilovers in there's a 14 mil bolt. This one has a through bolt on it with a nut on the other side. Not ideal. Wish I would have known that ahead of time. But yeah, if anyone got a driver lower fork for a CG Accord, let me know. I don't like that. Having it like that. Alright, so as you guys can see, it's got the through bolt like I was saying, with a nut on it and a washer. I don't like that. The only thing that's holding this on here is the pressure of this being tight. Usually the bolt will go through and slide through the little groove that's in this lower hat, but this is not doing that. But anyways, this side is lowered, the passenger side is lowered. Let's go ahead and slap some wheels on this thing, put it on the ground and see how she looks. Well, it's low enough where the jack gets stuck under it. Jack it up, put some wood under it. It's not that much lower, but she just wanted to close up the gap.
Once it settles.
Here she is. Definitely no gap. Before, you were able to stick like 2 fingers. It was kind of like how the back is right here. You kind of stick like 2 fingers in there. That's how the front was. Much better. Cherry Pepsi, baby. Why up, Jetty? Alright, so just continuing to where we left off of lowering the front of the car. So it's the following day. We got the whole car up in the air. As you can see, jack stands all around. So we got to lower the back of the car still. And then I got everything to do the oil change as well on it. And we're going to go ahead and do a valve cover gasket on it, because this one is leaking. If you guys remember when we did the valve cover, I used the old gasket. It's kind of hard and stuff. And I was hoping to get to it sooner, but we got it now. So I'm gonna do the valve cover gasket, oil change on this thing, and finish lowering the rear of the car and see where we can go from there. Well needed maintenance and showing the CG some love. I know it's been a while. God, my hair is getting long. Look at this thing. Woohoo! But yeah, let's get to it, I guess. So we're gonna start with draining the oil. Things always come off. Might try and get a new cap. Was it that tight? First oil change on this car since we've owned it. Let's see how many quits were in here. Out with the old. And we got ourselves a nice KSTUNED magnetic drain plug for it. Yes, sir. Always good to have a magnetic plug on a car. So, and they're cheap. I don't remember how much this was, but I think it was like 20 bucks or less than 20 bucks, something like that. So, always good to have. Oh yeah. Get that baby tightened. Alright, so got the oil drained. I've been down there for 20, 30 minutes or so trying to get the filter off. That filter's on there good. I try with a glove to see if I get a better grip on it. Try with 2 hands, it's just still kind of tight in there to get both hands in there. I tried with a rag and everything. Now what I'm gonna try and do, I have this C-clamp here. So I'm gonna see if I can squish the filter with this and turn it. If that don't work, then my last option is hammer and a screwdriver. So yeah, let's see if I can use that C-clamp vice grip thing and get that filter loose. So, see what happens. Alright, so after fighting and fighting and fighting, got the filter off. And you can see it's all crushed. We got her off. That's all that matters. Whew. But yeah, I got the new filter right here. So go ahead and get this puppy lubed and on. We got the new filter. Let's go ahead and get some oil on here, a little bit inside. Just get it on. Get the baby filled up with oil. Oil's in. Alright, so now oil change is done. We got the car back on the ground. We were going to lower the back of the car, but I noticed one of the tires is not in the best shape. So we're going to go ahead and get a set of tires ordered up for this thing as well, or possibly a new set of wheels. I'm unsure yet, but we got to do something about it. Right now, we got to take care of this valve cover gasket. So let's go ahead and get these plug wires pulled out. Look how clean it is in here. Oh yeah. Sign up low mileage, baby. Low mileage. And maintained well. Alright, so we got our valve cover gasket set here. Here's a part number if anybody is interested in that. So this works for the F23s and F22s, all the same. And it comes with all your garments you need for your bolts. The actual valve cover itself, that gasket there, and then the four for your spark plugs, these here. So let's go ahead and get it all put on. So I'm gonna go ahead and set mine up on a little table or something. Makes it easier. Just grab this old one, toss it. Go ahead and flip it around. Pull these puppies out of here. These, I normally don't change them unless they really need it. These look like they're in good shape, so I'm not even gonna bother swapping these out. So we'll keep those babies right where they belong. Let's flip it around. And these here, they're a little dry rotted and cracked, so let's try and get these puppies out as well. Let's see if you guys can see this in here. No. All right. Let's turn it around. All right. Normally what I would do, if you have a steel puller, works perfect. Screwdriver or something. Just go ahead and put it on the edge of it and just pry. All right, so I got those out. What I ended up doing is taking a pocket screwdriver, beating it into the edge, and then like folding it up enough where I was able to grab it and pull them out. Obviously with a seal puller would be the easiest. You gotta work deal with what you got. So now that those are out, our new seals, go ahead and put a little bit of oil around them. Now that you got those all there, slowly work your way around. Tapping them in. Now, those are all in, and these little ears go on the side. Timing belt goes. Just watch for the spark plug tubes. You want to make sure you get them around. Go ahead and get a little pocket screwdriver. Slowly just walk your screwdriver around the tube. Carefully, you don't want to damage the seal. And then it'll fall down in place as you do it. Boom. Therefore, you know you won't have no leaks, no nothing. The valve cover is fully seated down. Your bolts, you'll have 3 long ones and 2 short ones. Long ones will obviously go in the back. And when you tighten these up, be careful. These bolts break so easily. You don't want to use impacts or nothing on it. Like if you want to use your impact, just slowly run it down until it bottoms out or so. Like don't put no impact. You see here, I'm just gonna go ahead and use this to run it down. No clicking, no other does this. Slowly using it to snug them down. Then you go ahead and grab a ratchet, and then just go low. And the bolts will bottom out when they're done. So like I said, just a little bit on each one. Don't tighten one all the way and then another one. You will break these bolts. So a little bit here, a little there, here, there. And just like that, valve cover gasket is on. New spark plug garments are on. Snug and tight, everything good. Oil change done. KSTUNED drain plug. Got the front lowered. We didn't touch the back because this tire is showing a little bit. Right in here, you can see it's not in the best of shape. So we're gonna get on the interweb and call a few people. See if we can order up a set of tires. Preferably a smaller profile of a tire, because these are 225/50. I would like to go to like a 225/45 or even a 215. I don't know. We'll see. Oil change, valve cover gasket, front is lowered, and a KSTUNED drain plug in there. So there's still more that we're going to be doing on this car. I want to do a few more things on this car. Well, quite a bit more, but next coming videos and stuff, we're going to be doing more work on the JDM swapped Honda Accord. That's going to be it for this one, guys. Hope you all enjoyed. I know it's been a while since we worked on the CG Accord on the channel, or a car in general. I've just been posting throwback videos just to try and keep the channel going and some content and some money flow going. So if y'all did enjoy this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up button. If you're not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing. We're going to get back into making content and everything on this car, and there's another car. So there is another project for the channel that I haven't revealed yet. Just been waiting till I have the stuff I need to go ahead and get content done on it, where it's not just like here's the car and that's kind of it. So I wanted to have things to do on the car, you know. But yeah, who opened the door and closed. But that's gonna be it, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If y'all did miss me and miss me, well, not me, but like the channel being popping, you know, y'all missed the content, the Accords and stuff, let me know down in the comments. If y'all want to see more, let me know in the comments. That's gonna be it, guys. Peace out. Thank you for watching, and God bless.